Hey guys! Lolo Techie here. Today, susubukan natin tanggalin tong elastic dip dito sa gulong. But first, kailangan natin tanggalin ang lug nut nitong gulong gamit itong breaker bar. Hindi natin kailangan tanggalin actually, pero mas prefer ko na tanggalin ang gulong. Let's do it! Okay, simulan natin ang pagpipil. Kung mapansin nyo sa dulo, na-peel na siya. So, simulan natin ang pagpil sa dulo ng rim. Okay. So, since manipis lang yung pagkakapin ko sa kanya, kaya napuputol siya. Hindi siya ganun ka daling ipil. Siguro, ang recommended kasi na pag-paint sa kanya is 4 na layer. I think 3 layer lang na ilagay ko dito, kaya naman pag peel mo sa kanya napuputol ka agad.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
natin mapil lahat. Saka natin hugasan ng running water.
Highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Gamit ang torque wrench, set natin ang value to 100 foot-pound or 136 Newton meter torque. I-torque natin ang lug nut in a star pattern. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Kung nag-enjoy man kayo, please like and share. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat.